Okay, Anna, so should one redraw on the family mortgage before they separate?
It totally depends on the circumstances. Usually it can be really beneficial to access a big lump of cash as you're starting your separation. You're having to pay legal fees, you might not have access, you might be renting, you might not have access to your partner's higher income. So it may be a case of, well, it's not illegal for me to do it. It gives me the money I need to set myself up, and so I'll do it and deal with the ramifications down the track. But it really depends on, it may be something that you think twice about doing, even though it sets you up financially and gives you a bit of an upper hand. It can make the other party extremely unhappy and angry. And so if you're at the point of negotiating parenting arrangements and you're really wanting it to go your way and you're nearly there, and then you go and rip $100,000 out of the offset account, it can make everything fall over, and you might eventually think, well, that wasn't a great thing to do, or it wasn't the right time to do that. So it's absolutely something you need legal advice on. So because your family lawyer will be able to extrapolate what the likely ramifications are for your circumstances and the point of your matter that you're up to.
Yeah.
So
I suppose it depends on the purpose as well. So
Absolutely.
And there might be other means in which you can investigate, like we said about the funding, legal funding, or
you might be able to agree with your ex to take everything in the offset and divide it equally, and then it's all sort of counted back in the final property division. But if you're in a situation where you think, no, we're definitely not going to reach agreement, a spousal maintenance application is going to cost me about $15,000. I'm unlikely to get legal finance because of whatever reasons. Usually if the house is in your name, you will get legal finance, but it might be something that you think, well, with advice, you think, well, regardless of the ramifications, I need to do it now.
That's right.
I need to set myself up and
as long as you're aware of what that would look like down
exactly.
the end.